welcome everybody. If you're new here, my name is Tatum, and on Thursdays we do a quick 10-minute stretching routines. So today we're going into a little side angle flow and doing some shoulder opening. So if you'd like and you feel like you have tight shoulders today or just in general, I'd recommend grabbing a strap and just keeping it close to your mat. So today we're actually going to start off in tadasana like we normally do. So our feet are hip width distance, kneecaps are lifting, engaging our thighs, low belly is pulling in, and let's pull those low ribs in as well. Shoulders come back and down, hands come down by your side, and we'll root down through our feet. Maybe lift up all 10 toes here, spread them wide and set them evenly on the mat. Lift up through those inner arches. And bring that chin right onto the horizon. We'll take 3 big breaths together just to clear our mind and get ready for our quick practice today. So wherever you are, let's take an exhale. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Drop your shoulders, exhale, H-A-ha. 2 more, just like that. Inhaling, deep belly breath. Drop your shoulders, exhale, release and ground down. Beautiful, last one, biggest, fullest, deepest breath, inhaling. Exhale, release. Beautiful. If your eyes were closed, let's flutter them open. Inhale, arms reach up overhead. I'm gonna grab my left wrist with my right hand. My left palm is reaching towards the sky, and I'm gonna pull my arms back so they're in line with my ears. My chest is shining forward. Now you can stay here, or you can take this left foot and bring it to the outside of your right. Inhale, press this left palm up to the ceiling, and then exhale, press your hips to the left, fingertips reach to the right. Arms are still working and chest is shining up towards the sky. You can lift your chin, gaze can come to the ceiling or down towards the floor. It's your choice. Breathe down this left side body here. Finding your balance if your legs are in this twist. Maybe come down a little bit deeper, still lengthening through your right side, but not crunching. Arms are still extending, shoulders are pulled down away from your ears. And an inhale will bring you back through center. Uncross your legs and switch your grip. So this time I'm bringing my right foot to the outside of my left. My right palm is reaching up towards the sky as I inhale, press it up. Exhale, send your hips over to the right. Pull that low belly in. Fingertips are reaching over to the left. Again, gaze can be lifted towards the sky or down towards the floor. It's your choice. And breathe and reconnect with your breath. Breathing down your right side body. Feeling a stretch all the way from your ankle to your wrist here. Pulling our arms back in line with our ears. Shoulders are relaxing down our back. Maybe we stretch a little bit deeper if you can. And an inhale will bring us back up through center. Arms reach up overhead, and then exhale, hands come down by our side. Let's shake out our hands, shake out our feet here. And we'll inhale, arms reach up overhead. And I'm going to turn a quarter turn to the top of my mat. Exhale, hands come behind our back. So this is where our strap can come in. So you can take your strap in your hand and grab just the end here. You can even fold it in half. It doesn't need to be long. And I have about a couple inches in between my fists. You can either take this variation or you can interlace all 10 fingers together here. So wherever you are, bring your shoulders to your ears and then pull your knuckles down towards the floor. Our chest is shining forward. Let's take a wider stance with our feet here. Toes are facing forward, soften through your knees. Inhale, lift through your chest, and then exhale, begin to hinge forward from your hips. Knuckles are coming up and over your head here, and gaze turns to the back of your mat. Relaxing through your shoulders. And feeling a deep, long stretch down your front side body and along the back side of your legs. Allow your head to relax down and lengthening through your neck. Breathing into any tension points. You can always have your hands closer to your back as well if this feels better. Take a wider grip if you need to. And then when we're ready to let go, bring those knuckles to your lower back, release your strap, and then just bring your hands and you can cross your arms, grabbing opposite elbows here. Begin to sway from side to side. Eyes can be open or closed. And then we'll come back through center. Let's heel toe our feet back to hip width distance. So 2 fists. We'll inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, we'll come all the way up to standing. Arms reach up overhead. Exhale, sink low into your chair. We're going to take our weight into our right foot, come up onto the ball of your left foot, and then step back. Arms are going to open up onto the horizon for our warrior 2 here. So we want our right knee right over our ankle, and then our toes, our back toes should be facing towards 11 o'clock. You can always adjust them if you need to. So we want to make sure that our knee isn't shooting way past our ankle here and it isn't way back here. So if your knee is pulled way back, that might mean your stance is a little bit too long. And if your knee is shooting way far forward, that means your stance is a little too short. So let's find our pose. Inhale, shoulders to our ears. Exhale, roll them back and down our back. Let's inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink low. Beautiful. Now we're going to bring our right forearm to our right thigh. Weight is light. Left fingertips reach up towards the sky and then over to this right side of our room. Sinking our hips low. Weight is evenly distributed through both feet. We're going to take some arm circles here. So my left fingertips are reaching forward. I'm going to inhale here. And then exhale, we're going to reach down to the floor. And then an inhale sweeps them back up. And an exhale pulls them back down and around. Beautiful. Keeping that front knee bent here. Flowing with your breath. Just a big giant arm circle. And an inhale, we'll bring those fingertips back up through center, reaching towards the right side of the room. Now, option to stay here, sink low in your hips, or get a little bit of core work in. Reach this right hand forward. Open up your chest. Gaze comes forward or up towards the ceiling. Breathe, sink low. You got it. Use that core. Again, breathing here. Pull your shoulders back and down. Open up your chest. Sink low in your hips. Breathe. And when you're ready, an inhale will bring us back through warrior 2. Straighten your right leg. All 10 toes turn towards the long edge of our mat. Coming into our prasarita here. Let's inhale, lift through our chest, soften through your knees. Exhale, forward fold, hinging from your hips. Hands come to the floor. And you can just gently shift from side to side. You can even bring your hands to your thighs here as you shift. Getting in a little bit of movement in those hips. And then we'll all come back through center. Arms reach up overhead. Hands come onto the horizon. This time, our left toes are going to turn out towards the back edge of our mat as we come back into our warrior 2. Now our right toes are going to be facing towards 2 o'clock here. Let's inhale, shoulders to our ears. Exhale, roll back and down our back. Finding your pose, adjusting your stance. Remember this left knee right over our left ankle. Let's pull our shoulders right over our hips. Sinking low here, find your breath, reconnect. Left fingertips are reaching over this left leg. And when you're ready, we're going to gently bring this left forearm to our left thigh. Right fingertips are reaching forward. Again, finding your pose. Sink low in your hips, breathing here. Then when you're ready, taking this into our arm circles. So an inhale at the top and an exhale, fingertips reach down towards the floor. And an inhale will bring them up as you sweep the arm up. Exhale pulls them down. So just big arm circles here. Taking it slow, flowing with your own breath. Weight is light in your left hand. And we'll all come back through center, right fingertips reaching towards the left. Now again, you can stay here, or you can reach this left arm forward like you're holding a big beach ball. Open up your chest here. Gaze can come towards the ceiling or down towards the floor. Sink low in your hips, front knee is still bent. Low belly is pulling in. Relax your shoulders down, breathe, don't hold your breath. One more round of breath here. And an inhale will bring us back, warrior two. Straighten this left leg. Hands come up over our head. Exhale, hands come to our hips. Let's heel toe our feet in here. Turn our toes out so they're facing the corner of our mat. We're coming into our goddess pose. Take an inhale, reach up. Exhale, sink low. And then again, you can shift from side to side, bringing your hands onto your thighs here, lifting your toes, finding some movement. And we'll come back through center, coming into some shoulder dips here. So hands come to our thighs, fingertips are on our inner thighs. As we inhale, lift up. Exhale, dip your right shoulder to your left knee, gaze past your left leg. Inhale, back through center. Exhale, dip this left shoulder down, gaze past your right. Inhale brings you through center. Exhale, dip. Inhale through center. Exhale, dip. You got it. Breathe. Sink low into your hips. Take a few of these on your own. Last round, wherever you are. And we'll all come back through center, sitting in our goddess pose. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, sink a little bit deeper if you can. Breathe. Chest is lifting towards the sky. Sink low, breathe, you got it. Lift, thighs are working parallel with the earth. Just one more round of breath. Inhale, we'll all reach up. Exhale, hands come down by our side. Let's heel toe our feet back through center, coming into our tadasana, and shake it out. We'll take our hands to our hips or down by our side, and we're just gonna take our right ear to our right shoulder, left ear to our left shoulder. Finding a little bit of mobility in our neck, very slowly. And then we'll bring our chin to our chest and drop our head back. Again, very slowly. And we'll all come back through center here. Inhale, arms reach up over our head. Exhale, hands come through heart center. Thank you so much for getting a little bit of movement in with me today. Again, it's always an honor, and I'll see you next time. Namaste.